2026 KTM 790 Adventure. The moment the 2026 KTM 790 Adventure roars to life, you realize something immediately. This is not just another adventure motorcycle trying to follow the trend. This is KTM going back to its roots in building a machine that feels raw, aggressive, and purpose-built for riders who want to push beyond limits. From the sharp, rally-inspired bodywork to the compact yet muscular stance, the 790 Adventure looks like it was designed for one thing only: domination across any terrain. This is the bike that doesn't just promise adventure, it forces you into it. Whether you're staring down endless highways, rocky mountain passes, or deep desert sand, the message is clear. This machine was engineered to go further than most riders would ever dare. At the heart of this beast sits a 799cc parallel twin engine, delivering around 95 horsepower and 87 newton-meters of torque, a combination that strikes a perfect balance between aggressive performance and manageable control. But here's the twist. This engine doesn't behave like a typical mid-weight ADV motor. It feels alive, responsive, and eager to attack terrain. Twist the throttle and it surges forward with a punchy mid-range that makes overtaking effortless and off-road riding exhilarating. The power delivery is sharp yet predictable, allowing riders to maintain control even in loose conditions. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the bike offers both low-speed precision and high-speed cruising capability, making it equally comfortable on trails and highways. But what truly sets the 2026 KTM 790 Adventure apart is its chassis, and this is where things get serious. Built around a lightweight chromium molybdenum steel frame, the bike uses the engine as a stressed member, creating a structure that is both incredibly strong and surprisingly agile. Weighing just around 203 kilograms dry, the 790 Adventure feels far lighter than many competitors in the category. The result? A motorcycle that feels nimble and responsive, even when tackling technical off-road terrain. This isn't a bulky touring machine. It's a precision tool designed for riders who want to stay in control, no matter how challenging the terrain becomes. Then, there's the suspension setup, and this is where KTM flexes its off-road DNA. The bike is equipped with WP Apex, 43mm upside-down front forks, and a rear monoshock, both offering around 200mm of travel. That means the 790 Adventure is ready to absorb serious punishment. Rocks, jumps, potholes, and uneven terrain are all handled with confidence. The suspension is fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup based on their riding style and terrain. Whether you're cruising on pavement or attacking a dirt trail, the bike adapts to keep you in control. It's this level of versatility that makes the 790 Adventure feel like a true dual-purpose machine. And let's talk about the fuel tank, because KTM didn't just design it for looks. The 20-liter fuel capacity is cleverly integrated into the lower part of the chassis, lowering the center of gravity and improving stability. This unique design gives the bike a planted feel, especially when riding off-road or at low speeds. It also extends the bike's range significantly, allowing riders to venture deep into remote areas without constantly worrying about fuel stops. This is a bike built for exploration, and every design choice reflects that mission. Technology is another area where the 2026 KTM 790 Adventure refuses to hold back. The bike comes loaded with advanced electronics, including cornering ABS, traction control, multiple riding modes, and optional quickshifter and cruise control. These systems aren't just there for show, they actively enhance the riding experience. Whether you're riding in rain, sand, or aggressive off-road conditions, the electronics adapt to keep the bike stable and predictable. The TFT display provides all the essential information in a clear and modern interface, making it easy to stay informed without distraction. Despite all this capability, the 790 Adventure remains surprisingly accessible. With a seat height adjustable between 840mm and 860mm, it caters to a wide range of riders while still maintaining serious ground clearance of 233mm. The riding position is upright and comfortable, allowing for long-distance travel without excessive fatigue. At the same time, the narrow body design makes it easy to stand on the pegs and control the bike during off-road riding. It's this balance between comfort and control that makes the bike so versatile. On the road, the 2026 model delivers a surprisingly refined experience. The engine remains smooth at cruising speeds, the chassis feels stable, and the bike handles corners with confidence. But the moment you leave the pavement, the 790 Adventure truly comes alive. It feels like it was built for dirt, gravel, and sand. The combination of lightweight design, responsive engine, and advanced suspension creates a riding experience that is both thrilling and controlled. This is where KTM's rally heritage becomes obvious. It's not just marketing, it's built into the DNA of the machine. Visually, the 790 Adventure stands out as one of the most aggressive-looking bikes in its class. The sharp lines, angular bodywork, and signature KTM styling give it a bold, futuristic appearance. But every design element serves a purpose, from the aerodynamic front fairing to the protective side panels. This isn't just a bike that looks ready for adventure, it actually is. It's a machine that turns heads while also delivering real-world performance. By the time you step back and look at everything the 2026 KTM 790 Adventure offers, one thing becomes clear. This is one of the most complete mid-weight adventure motorcycles ever built. It combines power, agility, advanced technology, and long-distance capability into a single package that feels purpose-built for serious riders. This isn't just a motorcycle for getting from point A to point B, it's a machine designed to redefine what's possible on two wheels. And once you experience what it can do, one question remains. Are you ready to push your limits?